Everybody, good morning. I'm doing daily cheesy does it. I saw this before, I remember it, but I think not in the cheesy one. Or they repeat it, I'm not sure. Talk about discount. Let's do if always do the. So if I register, for example. Okay, you just type what you want, delivery, and you register, and you get here. It tell you have use a discount pizza 10 for today only. Okay, let's make an order. That's 13.99. We have that one. You check out, you have the discount code, you have 13.99 here. Place order, let's see where it takes us. And you can see we got our discount. We have a 12.59 from 13.9. So that's our orders. You can see the price went down. Now where is this is the order, the post for the validate what it doing? It validate the card. That's not where the code is. The card validated the amount, the payment, but it called the order, and in the order that's where is your discount code is here. So this is the request we're interested on trying to understand. If you look to this request, it have a discount. Of course, no, it's not a. You can argue so maybe it's a race condition, send many of them. But here the idea, the question is, can you apply the discount multiple times? So basically, we can use the confusion. So we're trying to confuse the application with a JSON. For example, if we have one JSON, we can play a different an array in JSON. So you can create your array, and when you create your array, now you can just hold on. I put the array in wrong place. And we can do a comma, and now let's put this one there. You can put, so we can now we have now the comma not there inside the array, and now we can add our duplicate this one inside the array of JSON. We can put all of them. You can see the whole point. So we have, where is it now? So you have the bracket for the array, and then you close the bracket there, remove this comma at the end. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know how the math will do, but let's see. If we send this one, you see we send it as an array. You can see as an array here. How many we did? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Of course, the response tell you, and of course, you get your flag for today. And if we go to refresh this page to check our order, and we got it with $5.42. So that's the trick for today. Is you have your JSON, you can send a request, you can see a request there, and a response, you get your flag for today. So the trick is a JSON array. You try the tricks of JSON, maybe a race condition or something. In any case, guys, enjoy your weekend and have a good day.